Oil prices rose by more than 1% on Tuesday, but later lost momentum. Traders are still wary about the coronavirus outbreak. Negative market sentiment may cause a high volatility and weigh more on risky assets. A rebound in oil prices was rather mild and might turn out to be short-term. Brent crude moved higher, above $54 per barrel, but did not manage to stay there for long. It's hard for the bulls to hold at this level amid the current negative background. The energy demand in China is likely to remain low in the near future due to the rapidly spreading coronavirus. Chinese state refiners have already said they will cut oil production by as much as 940,000 barrels per day. Besides, oil traders are still waiting for Russia to give its final decision on whether it agrees to join any additional output cuts as recommended by the OPEC's technical committee. Until a unanimous decision is reached between the members of OPEC+, oil prices are unlikely to recover from the previous lows. Brent futures are currently trading near the level of $54 per barrel. The bulls are doing their best to push the price above this level. WTI is following the same upward trajectory. The American benchmark has settled at $50.20 a barrel. Despite some gains, both benchmarks remain at risk of edging lower. Preliminary data on crude inventories from the US may put oil prices under more pressure as analysts expect to see a rise of 3 million barrels. The ruble's dynamics haven't changed much since yesterday. Against the US dollar, the ruble is still trading near the mark of 64. The Russian currency is mainly influenced by the sentiment in the global markets, which is currently formed by the news from China. If investors remain worried over the Wuhan virus, the dollar-ruble pair may hold in the range between 63.20 and 64.40. In addition, the strong US dollar and falling oil prices do not contribute to the ruble's growth. Later in the day, investors will shift their focus to Jerome Powell's testimony to the US Congress. The Fed's chairman will most likely confirm that the country's economy is in good state. This may provide significant support to the American currency. Traders will also wait for Powell's comments about the possible impact of coronavirus outbreak on the US economy. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.